Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Want to make awesome videos but don't want to spend a ton of money? I totally get it. Video editing can seem like an expensive hobby or profession, but it doesn't have to be. I got you. There's this super cool software called DaVinci Resolve, and guess what? It's free. That's right, totally free. You don't need to break the bank to get high-quality editing tools. It's like the Robin Hood of video editing software. It takes from the rich, complex world of professional editing and gives it to us, the everyday creators. Now you might be thinking, free? Is it any good? Can it really compete with those pricey software options out there? Trust me, this isn't some cheap knockoff. DaVinci Resolve is packed with features that rival even the most expensive software. DaVinci Resolve is the real deal. It offers everything from basic cutting and trimming to advanced color correction and visual effects. It's used by professionals to make Hollywood movies and TV shows. Yes, you heard that right. Some of your favorite films and series have been edited using this software. And the best part is, it's super easy to use, even if you're a total beginner. The interface is user-friendly, and there are tons of tutorials available online to help you get started. So whether you're just starting out on YouTube or you're a seasoned pro looking to save some cash, DaVinci Resolve has got you covered. DaVinci Resolve has everything you need to take your videos to the next level. From editing and color grading to audio post-production and visual effects, it's all there. No more excuses about expensive software. Let's dive in and start creating amazing videos without spending a dime. Ready? Let's go! First things first, you gotta get your hands on DaVinci Resolve. Head over to their website, Blackmagic Design, and download the free version. Don't worry, the free version has all the essential tools you need. Once you've downloaded it, installing DaVinci Resolve is a piece of cake. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be up and running in no time. Easy peasy. Alright, let's create your first project. Open up DaVinci Resolve, and you'll see a bunch of different windows. Don't freak out, it's not as complicated as it looks. Go to File and select New Project. Give your project a cool name, like my first awesome video. Now, import your video clips by dragging and dropping them into the media pool. See, I told you it was easy. Editing basics, cutting and trimming. In this section, we will dive into the essential techniques of cutting and trimming your video clips to create a seamless and engaging story. Now for the fun part, editing. This is where your creativity truly comes to life. The timeline is where you'll be spending most of your time. It's the heart of your editing process, where you can see all your clips laid out in sequence. Drag your video clips from the media pool onto the timeline. This is your canvas, where you can start piecing together your story. To cut a clip, just position the playhead where you want to make the cut, and click the blade tool. Boom, clip cut. This allows you to remove unwanted sections or split a clip into multiple parts. Want to make a clip shorter? Maybe you have some extra footage at the beginning or end that you don't need. Use the trim tool to adjust the beginning and end points. This helps you refine your clips to the perfect length, ensuring your video flows smoothly. You can also drag and drop clips to rearrange them on the timeline. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different sequences and find the best order for your narrative. Making it fancy effects, transitions, and color. This is where the magic happens, where your video goes from good to great. Okay, we've covered the basics, now let's add some flair. Effects and transitions can make your video more engaging and visually appealing. DaVinci Resolve has a ton of cool effects and transitions you can use to spice up your videos. From simple fades to complex animations, the possibilities are endless. You'll find them all in the effects library. Just drag and drop them onto your timeline to see the magic unfold. Want to make your video look more cinematic? Try using transitions like cross dissolves or adding motion blur. Try adding a color grade. Color grading can completely change the mood and feel of your video. Go to the Color tab and play around with the different settings. You can adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights to get the perfect look. You can adjust the brightness, contrast, and even the colors themselves. Experiment with different looks until you find one that suits your video. You've just learned the basics of video editing in DaVinci Resolve. Pretty cool, right? But remember, practice makes perfect. Now go out there and make some awesome videos. The more you experiment, the better you'll get. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Peace and happy editing. Please subscribe.